This is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Its venom can kill 10 grown men in less than an hour. And if that wasn't scary enough, it can also spit its venom. So how dangerous is the king cobra really? Let's take a closer look at this scary snake. Hi and welcome to Animal Logic. The king cobra is one of the largest venomous snakes in the world and is found in both Africa and Asia. As a matter of fact, there are more than 300 different species of king cobra. Now, even though they are called cobras, they aren't actually cobras. King cobra is just a common name for a group of very large venomous snakes. But why are they all so similar? Well, that's because they all belong to the same genus, which is called This genus belongs to the family of Elapidae, which are highly venomous snakes known as vipers. And did you know that the king cobra is the only member of its genus? That means that there aren't any close relatives of the king cobra. Now, let's move on to the next fact about the king cobra. King cobras are huge. They are the longest venomous snake in the world, with some reaching over 18 feet in length. And no, that isn't including the tail. The biggest king cobra ever recorded was 18 feet, 9 inches long, and was found in the jungles of Indonesia. And not only are king cobras huge, but they are also very heavy. The heaviest king cobra on record weighed over 36 pounds. Now imagine being out in the jungle and you hear some rustling in the bushes, and then out pops a huge snake that is over 18 feet long. You would probably run away screaming as fast as you could. But king cobras aren't as aggressive as you might think. King cobras don't usually attack humans unless they are provoked or feel threatened. And even then, getting bitten by a king cobra is pretty rare. However, if you are bitten by a king cobra, you should seek medical attention immediately. That's because their venom is extremely toxic and can cause respiratory paralysis and death. In fact, the venom of a king cobra contains enough neurotoxins to kill 10 adult humans in less than an hour. Now, if you thought that was scary, here comes the worst part. King cobras can spit their venom. They do this by flicking their tongues rapidly back and forth, which sends the venom flying through the air. Now, you might be wondering why they do this. Well, it has a form of defense. And it has also a way to inject venom into their prey before they eat it. Now, I wouldn't want to mess with a snake that can spit venom, would you? Now, despite their scary appearance and deadly venom, king cobras play an important role in the ecosystem. They help to control populations of rodents and other small animals. They are also a source of food for other predators, such as birds of prey and large mammals. But for the people that live in the areas where king cobras are found, they can be a serious threat. Each year, thousands of people are killed by venomous snakes, and many of them are king cobras. That's why it's important to be aware of the dangers of these snakes and to take precautions when in their habitat. But not everyone lives in a place where there are king cobras. So what can you do to learn more about these amazing creatures without going to their habitat? Well, you could watch videos about them online. There are some great documentaries about king cobras that are available for free on certain platforms. You can also visit zoos and snake museums to learn more about king cobras. Many of them have educational exhibits about king cobras and their venom. You can also support organizations that are working to protect king cobras and their habitat. These organizations are doing important work to ensure that king cobras and other venomous snakes are able to thrive. So what do you think? Are king cobras scary or are they amazing? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed learning about one of the most dangerous snakes in the world, the king cobra. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.